Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Evey. I have not been here in a minute. I know me and my boyfriend have recently moved out, so an apartment tour is soon to come. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for the iPad Generation 4 and the Apple Pencil Generation 2. So let's get into it. Alright guys, here it is, the iPad Air. I got it in the color rose gold, 64 GB, and then the Apple Pencil Generation 2. And there it is. Wow, it's actually way bigger than I expected.
Oh my god, why am I so bad at this?
And in the box it comes with the iPad charger, of course. And then of course it comes with like the Apple stickers and stuff in the little compartment over here. So I chose to get the 64 GB because I knew I was going to be only using it for school, so I really didn't need the extra space, and it was more affordable this way for me. I also got the rose gold color because I have a Mac Air and it's a color rose gold, so I wanted it to match. So I thought that was very cute. Alright, and here is the Apple Pencil. I've actually never seen it in person. This is what it looks like. It's actually super cute. Like, I like it. The grip is really nice. The reason why I got this iPad was because I wanted to try using the GoodNotes app and stuff like that. I think it's a very beautiful display. I didn't need the 3 camera because I already have an iPhone Pro. So there's no purpose of me getting the iPad Pro. So that's why I went with the Air. It's actually a really good size, way bigger than I expected. It's 10.9 inches, and I also have the accessories and screen protector to show you guys. Alright, so this is the case that I went with. I got it from Amazon. I will link everything down in the description. It's a hard shell case. My first time opening from the back, and then this part is like a flap for your iPad. It automatically turns on and off when you cover it. And over here is a spot for the Apple Pencil. I also wanted that because I wanted to make sure that I had space and I did not want to lose it. So I'm gonna put it inside and I'm gonna show you guys. I put on the case and this is what it looks like. I have not turned on the iPad yet, but I will be doing so in this video. I just wanted to show you guys the accessories first. The brand is called Fenty. There's their logo, but it's very subtle in the bottom, so I like that. So now I'm gonna put on the screen protector. This was the screen protector that I got. I got a paper-like screen protector because I heard that it wears down the Apple Pencil less, and I also wanted to save money on that, so that's why I got it. It comes with 2 protectors inside, and I'll also link this down below in the description. So this is the screen protector, and it comes with all the little things that you need to clean the screen. I have my boyfriend putting on the screen protector because I suck at these things, so after he puts on the screen protector, he uses this thing to take out all the bubbles. Alright guys, and now this is the finished product after putting it in the case and with the screen-like protector. Now I'm going to be showing you guys the Apple Pencil case I got. Honestly, you don't really need this, but I thought this was a cute little feature to add to my accessories. This is the brand Deli DG. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Alright guys, so now this is the Apple Pencil case I got.
It's so adorable.
Oh, I got one that was good grip because I thought that was very important. Honestly, this Apple Pencil case took so long to put on, so it's really annoying. But you could take off this part. Alright, and now what you guys have been waiting for. Don't make fun of my Wi-Fi.
Alright guys, I'm going on.
It's gonna take you to the screen and then you just set up what you want and then I'll show you guys later. Alright guys, after you set up your Apple, your iCloud, I put the option to not sync everything because I only want this for school. So then you just click agree and then this will show up and then it'll take you to your brand new iPad. I got to this point, I think I'm gonna do dark mode because I just like that appearance better. So I could continue. Welcome to iPad, get started. And here I am with my brand new iPad. I'm gonna be showing you guys the apps I download in a different video, but I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this. Thank you for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.